Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. This week we want to tell you about a Plano road construction project with a unique situation. It's on Spring Creek Parkway between Parker Road and Park Boulevard. The city is repairing potholes, cracks, and sunken portions of the roadway. This portion of Spring Creek will be closed during the month of June. No traffic will be allowed in either direction. The closure is all about safety. Since it's only a two-lane roadway, it's simply not safe to have traffic flowing through this work area with heavy equipment. The work should be finished by June 30th. For updates on this and other road projects, go to Plano.gov/RoadConstruction. Closing the street creates a safe work zone, allowing the construction to be done more quickly and safely. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.